Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the third video of my Hogwarts inspired mini-series, and as you can see it's inspired by Ravenclaw. I hope you like it and onto the video. To create this halo eye, I prime my eyes as usual using my eyeshadow base and set it with a white eyeshadow. On my crease I pack on a dark navy blue eyeshadow. Don't worry about making it perfectly even, since the next step is to blend it out using a clean fluffy brush. And blend that eyeshadow under the eye as well. On my lid I use a kind of royal blue eyeshadow, and I blend those two colors a bit. To create the halo effect, I apply my eyeshadow base to the middle of my eye. After touching up minor things, I set it using a shimmery white shadow. I used a blending brush with a royal blue shadow on it to blend the edges. Then, to give the white part more attention, I use an even more shimmery eyeshadow and apply it to the middle of my lid. Next I apply a white eyeliner on my lower waterline, and with a black liquid liner I create a pretty basic eyeliner on my lid. To prep my eyelashes for false lashes, I throw on a two-step mascara and then added falsies as well. I use a lip balm to hydrate my lips and give them a base for later. But before I care about my lips, I use a white to blue shimmering highlighter, since I thought it would be a perfect match for this look. This is a highlighting stick and no one wants chunky highlights, so I blend it out using my fingers. For the lips, I use the royal blue shadow to kinda line the lip, and the last step is to add some white shadow to the middle to complete the look. Do you like this look? What's your favorite part of it? Write it down in the comments below. Until next time, bye!